And let's say that the return is in a closet. So and the duct system's in the attic. So the air handler is in a closet, returns in that same closet. So let's assume that that closet's been sealed up properly. So there isn't any return leakage, but the supply ducts are in the attic and they're typically leaky, we'll say. So again, 1,000 CFM comes out of the air handler. It goes into the duct system. All 1,000 are making it into the attic. But because of those leaks, let's say there's 200 CFM leaking into the attic. So now there's only 800 CFM coming back into the house. So what's happening in the house if the air handler is sucking 1,000 CFM out of the house and it's only putting 800 CFM back into the house? Where's the extra 200 CFM coming from? And if you think about this for a minute, you realize there's only two things that could possibly be happening. The first one is that if you keep over time taking more out than you put back in, then the pressure of the house will just keep getting lower and lower and lower and lower and lower until it implodes. Well, we've never seen a house implode because of duct leakage. Okay, so that doesn't actually happen because the fan doesn't have enough power to do that. But here's what does happen. The air gets made up from somewhere. So the pressure in the house does start to get lower and lower. And as the pressure in the house gets lower, it's sucking in more and more air from outside.